I'm gonna tell y'all a story. This is Nature's Rough Part 2, motherfucker. So, I was walking down the street, saw a girl with the ghetto booty. She swerved off the road, went up in the woods and shit. So a nigga like me went after her. So I'm walking through the forest, right behind this fucking fine ass Don Brizzle, Breezy, you feels me? Walking right behind this bitch, and a motherfucking lion pops out of the motherfucking woods and shit, looking at me all hard, growling and shit. It's like, damn. I thought them lions lived over there in Africa, where the niggas was from. So this lion's growling at me, foam dripping from its fangs. Know what a nigga did? I drop kicked that motherfucker. Told him I don't motherfucking play. Fucking lion gets up, shakes that shit off, starts chasing the nigga. I saw off of National Geographic that if I ran up a motherfucking tree, and niggas is monkeys so we can climb. So I fucking climbed the motherfucking tree. Lion comes up right after a nigga. So right now I don't know what to do. So I jumped from the tree, broke a motherfucking leg. Motherfucking lion just pisses on the nigga and leaves. Nature's rough, niggas.